Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Ekta Vijay. Today I'll be sharing some dietary tips to raise hemoglobin levels. First of all, what is hemoglobin? Hemoglobin is a protein found in the red blood cells which carries oxygen from lungs to all the tissues and organs of the body. So it's very important to maintain normal levels of hemoglobin so that all the parts of the body get enough oxygen to function properly. Well, our bodies require iron to make hemoglobin. Hence, when there is inadequate amount of iron in the bloodstream, it leads to low hemoglobin count and a decreased number of healthy red blood cells. This condition is called iron deficiency anemia, the most common form of anemia worldwide. Now, if there's a significant drop in the level of hemoglobin, you might experience signs and symptoms like fatigue or extreme tiredness, dizziness, shortness of breath, restless legs, especially at night, pale skin, brittle nails, and craving for substances like chalk, sand, and paint. This condition is called pica. There can also be frequent headaches, loss of hair, dry skin, cold hands and feet, and heart palpitations. So here are some dietary tips to boost your hemoglobin count. Basically, there are two forms of dietary iron, heme iron and non-heme iron. Heme iron is what we get from animal foods such as lean red meat, pork, liver, and seafoods. Most of the iron from animal foods is readily absorbed by the body. On the other hand, the iron found in plant foods such as beans and spinach is non-heme iron. Well, our bodies are less efficient at absorbing this form of iron. Therefore, just eating plant foods rich in iron will not show effective results. You need to consume them along with vitamin C for the ultimate absorption of iron in the body. As an example, the iron present in spinach is not easily absorbed by the body. So squeeze some lemon juice which is rich in vitamin C on cooked spinach to maximize the absorption of iron by the body, thereby giving a significant boost to your hemoglobin count. Similarly, beetroot, a brilliant iron booster, can be combined with amla, which has plenty of vitamin C, to enhance the iron absorption. So do have your iron-rich meals along with vitamin C-rich foods like lemons, oranges, tomatoes, strawberries, bell peppers, and kiwis, or drink a glass of lemonade just after you are done eating. Now, some wonderful sources of iron include dry fruits, especially figs, dates, raisins, and dried apricots, vegetables like spinach, kale, fenugreek leaves, that is methi, coriander, sweet potatoes, beetroot, and potatoes, fruits, especially pomegranates, apples, and watermelons, and legumes like kidney beans, chickpeas, that is chola, lentils, especially masoor dal, and also have nuts, especially almonds and cashews, and seeds like pumpkin seeds and sesame seeds, that is til. Jaggery, tofu, and drumsticks are again incredibly high in iron. The next very important point is to avoid calcium along with your iron-rich meals. This is because the calcium specially obtained from dairy products like paneer, cheese, milk, and yogurt interferes with the absorption of iron in the body. Well, many of us believe that palak paneer is a beneficial dish to binge on. However, this is a wrong combination, as paneer is an excellent source of calcium which hampers the absorption of iron in the body. So, if you are iron deficient, avoid taking calcium-rich foods along with your iron-rich meals. It would be better if you take calcium-rich foods an hour before or 2 hours after an iron-rich meal. Another important point you need to know is to avoid tea and coffee along with iron-rich meals. These beverages contain tannins, caffeine, and polyphenols which reduce the absorption of iron by around 60%. So if you have trouble getting iron, have your tea and coffee in between and not with the meals. Now, apart from iron, you also need to give a special attention to the intake of vitamin B12 and vitamin B9, which is folate. These nutrients are required for the production of healthy red blood cells, thereby increasing your hemoglobin level. To increase the folate intake, have foods like dried beans, bananas, avocados, and leafy greens such as lettuce, spinach, and broccoli. Now, vitamin B12 is mainly found in animal products, especially fish, eggs, and meat. For those on vegan diets, fortified cereals and fortified soya milk can be a good source of vitamin B12. Well, if your hemoglobin levels are still not increasing, there might be some other reasons behind it, like heavy menstrual bleeding, blood loss from gastrointestinal tract due to conditions like ulcers and polyps, any kind of cancer, chronic kidney disease, bone marrow failure, and many more. So figure out the root cause and get the treatment done accordingly. Thanks for watching my video. If you found it useful, do hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more such health related videos. Stay happy and stay healthy.